Okay, let's do a little unboxing here. We got my rock lights. They're the Nilight rock lights, the 4-pod ones, and we're going to put them on the Uforce 1000. There they are. RGB. You can control them with your phone. So it should be pretty straightforward install. We're just going to put them on the AuxBeam switch panel, and we'll get these mounted. I did buy extensions. I'm not sure with the XL if I'm going to need them, or if there's enough cables here for it to reach from the rear all the way to the front controller. So we'll have to kind of figure that out as we go. The mounting pads, and here we go. So we got the rock lights. Yeah, so it looks like we're gonna need the extension, so it's a good thing I got them for the rear. So here it is. Pretty small. We'll see. They had mediocre reviews in terms of how bright it was, but this shouldn't really be an issue, so we'll see how it looks once we get it mounted. Okay, I'm just gonna fit up the box, the control box here. Don't mind this mess. I really gotta tidy it up more, but we're gonna put it on the AuxBeam 8-gang switch panel. I want 10 amps, so we're gonna come in here. There we go. So you just scan the QR code on the controller, download the app. Pretty straightforward, but damn, that thing's bright. Okay, there we go. Connected to the app. All the different colors. Jeez, that is bright. Okay, so now that I know it's working, we will go ahead and get this installed. Okay, so I don't really have a lot of room to film in here, so I'm just gonna do it and then I'll show you after. But what I'm doing is I'm gonna mount it right about here. So I'll use the bumper pad as a template to drill the holes, and then we'll run the wires through and I'll mount it up. So I'll just literally hold it here, drill it from this side, and then we'll mount it in there in the wheel well. Okay, so here we go. I got this one mounted, and that's where it is. So what we'll do is I'll just run the wire up on this piece of the frame, and then we're just going to run it up where I have my whip lights through this hole, and then up along the roof line down into the front. So I'm just going to go do the other side now. Okay, so I got the front, the rears run. So I'll tuck this all away. I'll probably redo all this wiring, put it in a loom so it looks a little better. So it all comes in down here, plugged into the controller, plugged into the switch panel. We got the rears working. So we'll just get started on the fronts. Like I said, up here, this is where the wiring is, so I'll get that all tucked away and hidden. So here we go. We got the 2 mounting holes and then the hole for the wires. So we'll get this one mounted in. Got the front mounted. So I ended up putting it right here. Just drilled through and ran the wires up and under. So I'll get the last side done now. Okay, we got the final light installed right here. Tucked away nicely, cleaned up. So let's go have a look, see what it looks like in the dark. Okay, here we go. I got the rock lights on. Just put it on red. As you can see, pretty good. Not overly bright. There's not a lot of shine on the rear. I think I mounted them too far in. But it shines a lot to the back and looks good. Really happy with how it turned out. So quick, easy install. No issues, worked great. control them on the app to change colors. Highly recommend them. And here they are on my switch panel, bottom left. So yeah, there's the video, guys. Enjoy.